In primetime news this evening, war of words over the future of Jamaica's constitutional reform.
A JCF now at full establishment.
And family of slain teens seeking to rubbish claims that he was a gangster. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers at TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, remember that $135 million Caribbean Community Resilience Fund? Well, the Cygnus Group is amplifying some of the benefits for the region. I'll have that and more in the business day.
And you were saying earlier, this is my favorite season.
It is Archie's favorite season.
It is track and field season. So Spencer, what's on the agenda?
Thank you very much, Archie. We have some track and field coming up later, but we can tell you that the Jamaica Cricket Association has named new selection panels for the various national teams. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
And Romain, not my favorite subject nowadays because it is so hot, is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
And it's also not my favorite season. We're still expecting more of the warm, windy and dry conditions over the next few days.
Today was certainly warm, windy and dry.
I felt like saying bah humbug, but anyway.
And before the break, we also have Entertainment Prime later on in sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking
a heat-related question.
Yeah, how are you coping with the heat?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. This reminds me of the time that I had to open my fridge so I could be cool. And post on X at TVJ News Center. We want to hear your stories.
Yes, so please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.